a nice, terrific shrimp remoulade salad. We're going to start off by rendering the andouille to make a topping for the salad. So what we're trying to do here is just render out the fat of the andouille. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to come in with some breadcrumbs. Now we're going to finish with some parsley. On the way andouille. Okay, now we're going to go ahead on and move into the corn relish. What I want to do here is get a little char on my corn. This makes it taste a lot better to me. A little salt. A little pepper. There's a little color to it. I'm gonna go in with some onion, celery, bell pepper, a little jalapeno. Now we're going to utilize some of that nice garlic that we cooked with the seafood. Going to go in a little bay leaf, turmeric, Creole, mustard seeds. A little bit of rice wine vinegar and apple cider vinegar. Just a tad bit of sugar. Tad bit of pimentos. All right, y'all, now it's time to build the remoulade sauce. Quite simple. We're going to start off with some mayonnaise. Use whichever one you want. A little Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of Dijon mustard. I kind of like the little twang that Dijon gives it. Then, of course, we have some Creole mustard. Wouldn't be complete without that. The cayenne pepper. And we're going to zest this lemon. I'm going to juice half the lemon. Give it a quick mix. We're going to fold in a little bit of green onion. There you have it, remoulade sauce. All right, y'all, it's time to put it together. We're going to fry some potatoes from the boil, but first we're going to smash them. Piece of parchment. gonna use some crab from our crab boil. Gonna add some of those beautiful shrimp. Can't be a shrimp remoulade without shrimp. Gonna add some green onion. And of course some remoulade sauce. There you have it, seafood boiled shrimp and crab remoulade.